ready for court showdown. Samantha finally gives proof against Meghan to court made her eyes blue. Samantha, 57, is suing the Duchess of Sussex, 41, over claims made in her Oprah Winfrey interview and the unauthorized biography Finding Freedom. A Florida judge has set an October 2023 trial date for the defamation case if the two sides fail to settle or resolve it in mediation. Samantha, who is seeking $75,000, £57,000, in damages, contests Meghan saying in her TV interview that she grew up as an only child. She also claims Meghan told false and malicious lies about her fairy tale rags to royalty upbringing at her paternal family's expense. And Samantha claims the Finding Freedom book subjected her to humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale. It comes after Meghan's legal team moved to dismiss the case in papers submitted to the Florida court in July. They argued that the Duchess's description of her upbringing to Oprah was obviously not meant to be a statement of objective fact but subjective feeling. They said Meghan's account of how she grew up as an only child cannot be false because it is a textbook example of a subjective statement about how a person feels about her childhood. The Duchess's legal team also argued she could not be sued over Finding Freedom because she did not write it. However, Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell is allowing the case to proceed. If the two sides fail to settle or resolve in mediation, a trial date has been set for October 2, 2023, which would last no longer than 5 days. In a previous statement, Meghan's lawyer Michael Kump hit out at Samantha's legal action. He said, "This baseless and absurd lawsuit is just a continuation of a pattern of disturbing behavior. We will give it the minimum attention necessary, which is all it deserves." Samantha has been a vocal critic of her half-sister in a series of media appearances as the pair have clashed over their childhoods. She also released her memoir The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister last year. Still at odds. After years of public drama, Samantha Markle filed a lawsuit against half-sister Meghan Markle, alleging the Duchess lied during her 2021 tell-all interview with husband Prince Harry. The sisters' tumultuous relationship originally made headlines ahead of Meghan and Harry's wedding in May 2018. 2 years later, the couple announced that they were stepping back from their duties as working members of the royal family. In February 2021, they confirmed their decision to not return to their senior roles. Meghan and Harry, who moved to California following their royal exit, addressed their major life change during a CBS sit-down 1 month later. During the interview, the California native said, "I grieve a lot. I mean, I've lost my father. I lost a baby. I nearly lost my name. I mean, there's the loss of identity." Samantha, who has previously been outspoken about Meghan throughout her royal tenure, claimed in her March 2022 lawsuit that her younger sibling was not being honest when discussing her past or their father, Thomas Markle. In court documents obtained by Us Weekly at the time, the Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister author alleged that Meghan made up stories about growing up in virtual poverty. Meghan Markle has once again moved to dismiss her half-sister Samantha's defamation case against her. Meghan Markle has once again moved to dismiss her half-sister Samantha Markle's defamation case against her, reported Us Weekly. This comes just days after the Duchess of Sussex's previous attempt at dismissal on June 17 was denied after Samantha filed another amended complaint. In documents obtained by Us Weekly, Meghan and her legal team's motion read, "In her desperation to save her case, plaintiff, Samantha, quite literally fabricated one of the statements, as evidenced by the missing interview transcript." Meghan's team went on to further accuse Samantha of deleting specific factual allegations and exhibits from her original complaint.
bye.